Alright guys, thank you again for a fast fill and fast payments on this. This is for the 220 Cascade dishwasher pods. So here's our list, transferred over. It is 9:05, I'm gonna wait 9:06 here. There you go. You're gonna go live, good luck. Alright guys, 9:06, here we go, 7 times. 10 items in the list, mark on top. Daniel at 2, Daniel at 3, Sam at 4, Daniel at 5, Mark at 6, 9:06, last and final time. Good luck, you guys. Alright, so Daniel O'Day takes the win. 10 items in the list, 7 randomized. 9:06, we are done. Congrats to the winner.